Cash flow is a struggle for many businesses, especially as they grow. So how do you manage your cash flow while expanding your shop's operations or footprint? Let's find out. When we talk about business growth, a lot of business owners will take profit out of the business to make that happen. But how much profit is safe to take out in order to grow? Well, we give you some advice from John Zerker, COO of Best One Tire, on capitalizing your business. Of course, there are many different ways to capitalize a company. For tire stores, when you talk about capitalization, it usually means how much capital or money you as the owner have put in to start the business, according to Zerker. Another aspect of capitalization is knowing how much capital you have relative to store sales. A good rule of thumb is to be capitalized at around 15% of store sales, Zerker says. For example, if a tire store is doing $1 million in sales, it would be a good idea to have $150,000 in capital set aside, whether it's for current or short-term obligations or something you build upon for the long-term growth strategy. Here's a quick calculation to determine what 15% of store sales looks like for you. Take your shareholders' equity or your owner's equity, which is your initial capital investment, plus your retained earnings, and subtract that from treasury stock and distributions paid out to shareholders. Then divide that number by your sales. Of course, being well capitalized at 15% of sales is a safe goal. Many businesses run on 10 or 5% of store sales. But the lower that number gets, the harder it is to grow your business the way you might want. Thanks to John Zerker for sharing this tip with us. I'm Maddie Weiner, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tire, service, and shop operations videos. Thanks for watching.